Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this winter fox nail design, so let's begin. As usual, I'm starting off by applying a base coat to all my nails. Now I'm applying white as a base color. Now a second coat. And now a quick dry top coat before I start the design. To start the design, I'm using black acrylic paint on my index fingernail to do the first two tree trunks. These two tree trunks need to be a little bigger than the rest because they are going to be the ones that are closer. Now I'm taking a dark gray to do one of the tree trunks that'll be a little bit farther away. Now I'm taking a much lighter gray to do one of the tree trunks that's supposed to be pretty far away. And now I'm doing the branches. You can pretty much put these wherever you want, including overlapping, as long as the black ones are on the top. And now I'm just doing little bits of plants that aren't quite covered by the snow. And now it's time for the snow that's covering the tree. So I'm putting a little bit on the tree trunk and the rest will go on the branches. And lastly, I'm just doing little dots of snow that's falling. And now for my middle nail, I'm going to be doing basically the same thing, but I'm only doing one black tree trunk, and I'm going to be leaving space on the other side for the fox. Here, I'm doing branches that overlap. And now I'm doing a couple of trees in the distance, so as you can see right here I'm using gray. And now right here I'm painting the other tree in the distance, but I have to paint it around the branches because I should have painted it first, but I'm stupid, so... Right here, I'm using a much lighter gray than before, and I'm doing one last tree in the distance that I also have to paint around the branches. And now I'm adding the snow. So now I'm painting the fox, and as you can see, I'm starting off with the head and then the shape of the rest of the body. And now I'm taking black to paint the ears. Now I'm taking white and I'm painting the tail. I'm also adding a little bit of gray to the tail just to make it more visible. And now I'm painting a white triangle just below the head for the belly. I am also adding white to the inside of the ears. Now I am again using black for the eyes, nose, and legs. And now that adorable little fox is done. Now for my last two fingernails, I'm doing basically the same thing as I did on my index fingernail. Now, lastly, it is time for a glossy top coat. So that is all, guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video and comment down below any videos you want to see me do in the future. Bye!